Welcome to Canada, the land of breathtaking beauty and endless adventures. From coast to coast, Canada offers a tapestry of natural wonders and cultural experiences. Whether you're exploring vibrant cities, hiking through pristine wilderness, or immersing yourself in rich traditions, Canada has it all. A diverse nation with welcoming people from all corners of the globe, Canada is a place where you'll feel at home. And don't forget about the incredible food. From regional specialties to international cuisine, your taste buds are in for a treat. So, whether you're planning a visit or simply want to learn more, join us on a journey through Canada. Explore the vast landscapes, rich heritage, and warm hospitality of the Great White North. In this extended exploration of Canada, we invite you to embark on a journey through a land of stunning natural beauty, rich history, and diverse culture. From its Indigenous roots to the challenges and triumphs of Confederation, Canada's history is a compelling story of resilience and unity. Its cities are vibrant hubs of creativity and multiculturalism, each with its own unique character and opportunities. Canada's wilderness is unparalleled, from the serene beauty of Lake Louise to the untamed majesty of the Yukon. What truly makes Canada special is its people. A nation that celebrates diversity, it's a place where cultures from around the world come together, creating a mosaic of identities. Canadian innovation has made a global impact, from groundbreaking medical discoveries to space exploration. And let's not forget the food. From iconic Canadian dishes to international flavors, Canada is a culinary delight. So, whether you're an adventurer, history enthusiast, food lover, or someone looking for a warm and welcoming place, Canada beckons. Join us in exploring Canada, a nation where the spirit of the true North remains strong and free.